talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video, and it's that time now. It is the first drop of 2018. I missed making checkout videos, and it's that time again, so I'm pretty hyped. So I will be going for about 2 things that I'm 100% sure about, and then just picking up on like some other things, like if I have time. But yeah, from the EU drop, we can kind of tell that the stock is kind of high. Well, that's what I've been seeing. I'm not 100% sure, but supposedly EU had a good amount of stock, and there was like a giant restock after the initial drop. So hopefully we are able to get everything we want. About 3 more minutes left for the drop, and then we can go ahead and get started. A few things I want to say. We got card declined last season. That was happening a lot towards the end, so we're gonna see what happens today. I'm gonna, for the purchases that I really want, I'm gonna see if I paste my card info, and maybe that'll help. I'm not sure if it will, but hopefully we do not get card decline. That would suck. I'm signed into my Gmail, so capture should not be an issue. After today's video, after trying to check out a few different things, we will see what works and what doesn't. That way, before next drop, I can kind of have like a tutorial on how to check out for this season specifically. I was gonna do a video on how to prepare for this drop, but I'm not really prepared either. Like, I'm not sure if my Autofill is gonna work exactly the same. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get declined. There were just a lot of things that I wasn't sure about, so I kind of wanted to wait after the first drop. So after today's drop, we should have an idea of what the future drops will look like, stock and things like that. So I will be doing a tutorial on how to check out in the future, or in the before next drop, hopefully. But yeah, so about another minute left for the drop, and we are pretty much ready. I will be going for some pants and some accessories, and that's kind of it. That's kind of all I really want for myself. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep on refreshing here, and hopefully we get lucky. So yeah, I'm gonna be going for those pants, like I said, the shoulder bag, that like little storage box or whatever, and I'm not really sure what else. Anything after that, it's kind of just gonna happen. So gonna have to wait and see. Okay, we got about 10 seconds left for the drop. Well, I'm kind of nervous. It's been a minute since I did this, so I'm gonna be going for 2 items on the same cart to start things off, and then we'll see what happens after that. So it's live, and I'm looking for those floral pants. Here we go. You know, I'm actually gonna check these out first by themselves because I really want these. Okay. Let's see. It didn't even let me process payment. It's not even letting me process payment, guys. I don't know. What the fuck? I don't know what's going on right now. It's not letting me click process payment for some reason. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Just fuck me, man. That's crazy. I don't know. It says it's closed. Let me check my phone and see if I got a charge, but I don't think so. That's crazy. What the fuck's going on? Okay, well, it's not letting me process payment. Fuck. Yeah, it's not showing up on here. It says it's still closed. But what the fuck, bro? I don't know what happened. It was live for a minute and now it's gone. So this might not be good. I'm just kind of worried because like in older videos my camera would shut off after like 10 minutes, so I really don't want to make this video so long. Just because it overheats and stuff, but I may not really have a choice in this. That's crazy. Why is it not? I don't really know. I don't know. I'm on my phone, and so I heard somewhere that it dropped earlier on. Okay, I don't know what's going on really, but I'm on my phone and I see it. I see the web store, but I don't see it on here. I just can't seem to add anything to my cart. This is a crazy start to the season. Well then, yeah, I'm like, it's on my phone, but I can't add anything to my cart. I guess it's in my cart, but I can't even access my cart. Oh shit. Okay, I guess it went through now. Alright, cool. So, that was weird. I just managed to buy something right off the bat. I got the... Well, yeah, my camera overheated. I managed to buy something. Some dude hit me up to buy the sweater for him. It looks like it's still in stock, so I'm gonna check out... Or I'm not gonna check out, but I'm gonna look at some other stuff first. This drop, I didn't really want a lot of things, but I'm just gonna go ahead and look at everything. I managed to get, whoa, that was crazy. Okay, so I managed to get the pants I wanted, and then I also managed to get the shoulder bag. Everything else is absolutely still here, just sitting. Yeah, the hoodie's kind of pricey, but he said he got me, so this hat's actually nice, but I'm done with the S logos, honestly. Damn, it's actually nice. That's a nice colorway. Yeah, I would have gone for it, but yeah, I'm not. Let me see what else. Shoulder bags are there. This is there. I kind of want this little metal holder thing, but 44, 42. I think I'm gonna pass on that one, honestly, because I wanted to get the the lock one, so I'll probably just use that money towards getting like a lock one. The t-shirts I didn't really like. Yeah, so this dude wanted a hoodie. They're like sitting bad, so I guess I'll hook them up. Yeah, it's all good. So let's see if autofill works completely. Let's see. It looks like autofill is working just fine. I don't think I got hit with the card decline. It's just taking a while to process now. Well, it said it was in stock, but you know, sometimes you never know. Sometimes it's just gone. But we're just waiting now. This was a huge drop. It took like 10 minutes for it to even go live. And I'm still in the processing. Please wait. I got what I wanted. I only wanted the pants. And that shoulder bag, I don't even know if I'm gonna keep it. I might give it to someone or sell it. But this hoodie for sure, someone hit me up, they wanted it, so hopefully we can get it. I'm still stuck on processing. It's not getting through. Yeah, just waiting now, I guess. It's not going. Damn. Anyways, while we wait, yesterday I was like on my way to school, and oh, there we go, we got it. Yeah, I'll continue this story though. I was on my way to school, and then like my brakes were acting weird. Like I wasn't able to brake right. And I was like, fuck it, I'll just go to school and then I'll fix it after work. Like I'll go get my brakes checked, and then like as I was driving, like my shit wasn't stopping at all. Like like there was like a yellow light, and I was trying to brake and I couldn't. Like I was scared. Like I was about to run it straight up, and my car like shook a little bit, and I was like, what the fuck? And I got kind of scared. I was like, damn, I should have gone before school. So like all day I was all like paranoid that I was gonna crash after I went home. But it was all good. I went home. I didn't go home, but I left school and I went to like the closest like tire place or whatever brake place like by my house because I was just scared. So I went to like this big old tires place, and I was like, oh cool, like it's all good. Like I don't know, 100, 200 bucks, like whatever, I'll pay it. It's all good. And then I was sitting there for 30 minutes, and then the dude comes back. He's like, it'll be 1088.64, and I was like, what? Like that shit caught me by surprise. And I guess it was gonna be like a G for everything, cause some like I feel like they finessed me too. Like I didn't pay a G. Like I don't know. I talked to him, and then it was like a little less. It wasn't like a lot less, but I feel like they finessed me. Like I don't think it should be that much. I guess like some power booster thing was broken, and I don't know shit about cars, which is bad. I should probably like learn, but I was honestly just scared. So if I would have left from that place, they would have just charged me like $100 and something for a diagnostic check. So I just stayed there, and my car's there now getting fixed, like the brake power booster or something. I don't know. That might sound like nonsense to you guys that know cars, but I feel like I got finessed. So I'm probably gonna put up some shit for sale. I'll leave my grill in the description just in case I do. But yeah, that was enough for that video. It was a crazy drop, but autofill seems to be working properly now. I didn't, for the first drop, for the first checkout, I did paste my credit card number, but for the second one, I just went ahead and like did it straight up. I did have to change the year of my card though, because it didn't, I don't know what was wrong with it, it just didn't work properly. So I had to change that, but it seemed like autofill was working fine. Hopefully it continues to stay that way. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Please subscribe for more checkout videos. Thanks for fucking with me, whoever's watching this video. Appreciate everyone that watches the videos. I will be back next week for another checkout video, and I will do a tutorial before next checkout. Hopefully it helps out some people that are new to the season, because the more the merrier. I guess it doesn't really matter to me, but that's it for the video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you guys got what you wanted. If not, stay tuned. I'll help you guys out. Leave any comments and any questions in the comment below. Yeah, and that's kind of it for the video. Like I said, thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys next week.